In this video, I'm going to show you how to add actions in Notion. So in here, after successfully accessing the homepage of your Notion account, what we're going to do is we're going to navigate on the page where we'd like to input the action into. Note that action are related to buttons that we have in Notion. So to do that, after successfully accessing the page that you would like to input the button into, we simply activate the options by typing /n here. And as you can see, we have now here various block options. We simply navigate and locate the button. We have button in here, and then we start typing the condition. First, we input in here the name of the button. Let's say send email. Then the action to trigger the button. Let's say when the button is clicked, then the action that will be the respond to the trigger. So let's say the new action will be we're going to send notification to select recipients, specific people in here. Then we can input various information or individuals regarding the people that we're going to send the notification to. After that, we simply click done. And now you have successfully added a message first. By the way, this is a test notification. Then we simply click done. And now you have successfully added a button in here with action in Notion. And that's about it. That's how to add actions in Notion. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.